Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change a picture quality on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app and make sure that you're on the photo mode. Now we can tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and choose the settings. And as you can see on the mode section at the very bottom of this list, we've got the picture quality options. So let's tap on it, and here we can choose from three available options. And now we've got high, which is marked like here, but we can also set standard or low. So if you want to change the quality, simply tap on the one you want to use, and as you can see, it immediately changes. So it means that from now on you will take the pictures in chosen quality, but I highly recommend to set it high because this is the best option. So that's all. This is how to change picture quality in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.